Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So we want to start on the daily chart just quickly to get everybody on the same page. We're still watching primarily for the white scenario. However, the risk obviously has increased that we will invalidate this pattern because since the top in March, the market has not been able to form any upside impulse, and it seems like downside momentum is slowing down a little bit, but we haven't seen any impulse to the upside which would indicate a successful reversal. The price even broke briefly below the 78.6 retracement at 29 cents, which is, yeah, you could say one of the most important support levels in such a wave 2 pullback that we're tracking in the white scenario. So the low could be in at any point, but I need to see more evidence, and I'm going to tell you on the smaller time frame what we need to see for that to, let's say, have some confirmation that white wave 2 has bottomed after we had an initial 5-wave rally to the upside in white wave 1, which could be something different. But we said that we give the bulls the benefit of the doubt just due to the general situation in the crypto market at the time, and because we were looking at altcoin rallies, 5-wave movements to the upside, not on every chart. Well, to be honest, only on a few charts. There are not many coins actually that actually rallied in 5 waves last year. Okay, the ones that did, I think I'm capturing them all. So 99.9% of coins didn't. So yeah, it's not an altcoin bull market, but an overall Bitcoin bull market that dragged some altcoins with it. But some altcoins just rallied in 3 waves. I mean, that's also possible, but from an Elliott wave point of view, introduces much more uncertainty. Now, even the ones that rallied in 5 waves like ADA are struggling. So you can see we are very deep in ideal support for a wave 2. Normally we say a break below the 78.6 retracement. It's not great for a wave 2 because it typically will lead to invalidation. It just introduces too much weakness, and it shows us, it's a signal that the market is too weak. But the formal invalidation point is actually down there, the red line at 22 cents. That's the June 2023 low. So that means in the white count, we cannot actually withstand much more downside. It's very important. We can't cope with much more downside. So it's the 22 cent level. That's the make or break point. Any break below the August low will already challenge seriously the bullish thesis here. So, but we can take a look at the micro count. This is the 4-hour chart. Here you can see why I'm skeptical about the fact that the low could be in already. I mean, the idea that the low could be in already is not a fact, but the idea that a low could be in already, because the rally from the 5th of August low was just a 3-wave move. The move down looks much more impulsive, which is why I highlighted in the previous videos, maybe we're dealing with a 1-2 setup to the downside with resistance between 35 cents and 37.8 cents. And I explained to you that we're watching for further downside potential as long as we hold below 37.8 cents. We have to give the bears slight preference here in the very short term because the rally, had the rally from the 5th of August low been a 5-wave move, I would be more clearly bullish. But I'm always listening to what the market is telling me. And the 3-wave move up, while it's not necessarily bearish, it's at best undecided, okay? And therefore I need proof to follow the yellow count more, with more confidence. The first indication that yellow is taking the lead would be a break above resistance. So that would be a signal. So we would need a break above 37.8 cents. Then we can follow the yellow count. We can watch for a 3rd wave rally into the 50 cent region. However, again, it would still need the full set of all 5 waves here highlighted, possibly close to the 60 cent mark, to confirm that a low has been established on the 5th of August. Until then, the market can continue to throw curveballs on us, towards us, and could easily deviate from that roadmap, because as long as we haven't got 5 waves, this is a corrective rally. So it would be much clearer had the move up from the 5th of August low been a 5-wave move, then it would be a much more stable structure. But because that wasn't the case, that is not the case, I'm watching for further downside potential, which would be further confirmed with a break below support, which is sort of here the 29 cent area. And then we could get close to the invalidation point, which is where we will see if the market can hold the 22 cent level. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.